We are going to learn clock. Imagine big circle like a pizza, but instead of slices, it has numbers. That's our clock. It's like a secret code, but once you learn it, you will always know what time it is. See those numbers from 1 to 12? They go around the circle, telling us the hours of the day. Now look closely. There are hands that move around the clock. The short, chubby hand. This is the hour hand. It tells us which hour we are in. When it points right at a number, that's the hour. The long, skinny hand. This is the minute hand. It tells us how many minutes have gone by. Also, there is a super skinny hand that moves very quickly. That's the second hand. So, kids, there are three dials: hour dial, minute dial, second dial. There are 5 minutes in every number you see in the clock. 5 minutes between 12 to 1, 5 minutes between 1 to 2, 5 minutes between 2 to 3, 5 minutes between 3 to 4, 5 minutes between 4 to 5, 5 minutes between 5 to 6, 5 minutes between 6 to 7, 5 minutes between 7 to 8, 5 minutes between 8 to 9, 5 minutes between 9 to 10, 5 minutes between 10 to 11, 5 minutes between 11 to 12. There are total 60 minutes in 1 hour. If the minute hand points to 12, the hour hand will show the current hour. This is 12 o'clock. This is 1 o'clock. This is 2 o'clock. This is 3 o'clock. This is 4 o'clock. This is 5 o'clock. This is 6 o'clock. This is 7 o'clock. This is 8 o'clock. This is 9 o'clock. This is 10 o'clock. This is 11 o'clock. Do you know what time it is? Our hand is on 10, so it is 10, 5 plus 5 plus 5, total 15. It is 10:15. Our hand is on 6, minute hand is on 2, 5 plus 5, 10. The time is 6:10. Now check out this one. When the hour hand is between two numbers, you always go with the smaller number to tell the hour. So, if the hour hand is between 7 and 8, you say it's 7. Now let's 7 and count for the minutes. Total 45 minutes. The time is 7 and 45. Quiz time. What time it is? The answer is 4 and 50. Please like, share and subscribe.